We are starting on 100. Once again, we are starting, this time on page 152 at the very top. I can't remember last time we ended with typing in the temperature box, and you will type the number 7,000. Now, it was at 6,500, but this button only lifts it up by 1, and you would probably go insane would you try to do it all by the button. Then you can simply just close the task pane. Click slide 4 and click the picture to select it. And if necessary, click the Picture Tools Format tab. Now in the Picture Styles group, click Picture Effects. And then you'll find Preset, and you'll want to click Preset 2. The preset is then applied. And you want to click Picture Effects again, and you want to go to Bevel. And there is no round convex, but there is a regular convex, so that is what we're going to have to go with, because if you see it will say on your step-by-steps the last option, but the last option is the Art Deco. So you'll have to click the convex. In the picture, if you want to click the Picture Effects button again, and then you will click Glow, and then it will be Glow 8. Glow 8 be a 8-point glow periwinkle accent color 5. So it will be the second one in the purple option. And then you can click away from the image so that it will display it a lot easier. Then you want to click slide 7, and you want to click on the picture. Click the Picture Tools Format button, and you'll see in the Adjust category, you can click the Artistic Effects. And going over, you'll see that each of them does different things. And you can hover over each one to see what each one you want is, but you will want to click Paint Strokes, which is the second option in the second row. You will then want to click on slide 3 and click on the picture once again. Now in the Picture Tools, this is a little more difficult, but in the Picture Tools Format button, you want to click Remove Background. The Background tab removal appears, and everything but pretty much one of the planet's moons has been turned purple. You want to turn the zoom up to 100%. You can click the plus mark here to make it. And you want to adjust it but you can adjust it so the display so that this is very clearly being shown. Now you'll see that inside of this is the rectangular border with the section handles that has appeared, and everything all the content within the border will be kept. So you want to move the rectangle so that the entire picture is inside of it. And you'll see it changing as you go on. On the background removal tab that is shown up, you want to click Mark Areas to Keep. Your mouse, when hovered over here, will then turn into a little pencil. So click and drag across one of the moons. You'll find that it then turns visible. And you'll want to do it across all of them. If this remains, if it happens like this, which is preferable because then you don't have to try and cover this entire huge thing. Then you'll just have to worry about this moon. You can see it's all been gone here because remember, you're only seeing a little bit of it. You can zoom in further if you need to, but at the end you'll want all of the planets to be shown and the background purple. And you want to click the Keep Changes checkmark in the Background Removal tab. And you'll see that once again, because the background has been removed and only the planets remain, that you can see all of the words. Now you would click away from. Now you want to click this square in the very bottom, which is Fit Slide to Current Window, to reset the zoom. You can also, on the View tab, click Fit to Window. And then you want to click the File tab and make note of how big the file is. Now you leave the File tab. Then you want to just click any picture. It can be the picture that we just worked on, for instance. And you want to click the Picture Tools Format tab once again, if necessary. And then in the Adjust group, you'll see you want to click the Compress Pictures option. Now this dialog box should appear. And you want to click Email 96 PPI. You want to apply only to this picture, and you want to click Email 69 PPI option, which it cannot appear to do. All right. Click OK. And then what should come up